10 Reasons Not to Move to France. Have you ever wondered if living in the land of croissants and chic fashion is as dreamy as it seems? Or are there some hidden snags you should be wary of? Bonjour, fellow wanderers. France, with its iconic landmarks and a lifestyle that oozes charm, often tops the list of dream destinations for many. Yet, before you start packing, let's take a candid look at what might make you think twice. Today, we're diving into 10 reasons not to move to France. And trust me, some might just surprise you. So, pour yourself a glass of Bordeaux, and let's unravel the less glamorous sides of living in this enchanting country. 10. Finding accommodation. This can be one of the biggest challenges due to high demand and stringent rental criteria. From navigating rental agreements to understanding neighborhood nuances, it's a journey that requires diligence and sometimes a bit of luck. While the process can be daunting, securing that perfect Parisian apartment or charming countryside home is incredibly rewarding. The French real estate market is competitive, and understanding the local customs and expectations is essential. Building a strong rental application, being prepared to negotiate, and enlisting the help of local agencies can increase your chances of success. Once you've found your home, the sense of accomplishment and the opportunity to immerse yourself in a new community make the effort worthwhile. It's a journey that, while challenging, offers a chance to truly make France your own. 9. Customer service. Customer service in France can be a bit of a culture shock. It's not uncommon for service to be slower and less attentive than what you might be used to. Patience is key, and understanding that this is not personal is important. The French value quality over speed, and once you adjust, you'll find the experience more relaxed and genuine. This approach to service reflects the French appreciation for craftsmanship and detail. Whether you're dining in a restaurant or shopping in a boutique, the focus is on quality and experience rather than rushing. Taking the time to engage with service providers and appreciating the care they put into their work can lead to more rewarding interactions. This slower pace encourages you to savor the moment and enjoy the experience fully. 8. Pessimism. Some people find the French to have a more pessimistic outlook compared to other cultures. It's not uncommon to hear complaints and debates, whether about politics, weather, or even the quality of the morning croissant. But this is also a reflection of the French love for intellectual discussion and critical thinking. Embrace it as a chance to expand your horizons and engage in lively conversations. The French are known for their philosophical approach to life, where questioning and debating are seen as vital to personal and societal growth. Engaging in these discussions can be a fascinating way to learn more about French culture and history. 7. Gas prices. If you're planning to drive in France, be prepared for high gas prices. Fuel costs here are among the highest in Europe, which can add up quickly if you're commuting regularly. Public transport is a more affordable and eco-friendly option. But if you love road trips, budget accordingly. The scenic drives through vineyards and historic villages might just make it worthwhile. Despite the high prices, driving in France offers unparalleled opportunities to explore the country's stunning landscapes at your own pace. From the lavender fields of Provence to the rolling hills of Burgundy, the journey is often as beautiful as the destination. Carpooling, using public transport for daily commutes, and saving driving for special occasions can help balance the costs while still allowing you to enjoy the freedom of the open road. 6. Most shops close on Sunday. Sunday is truly a day of rest in France, with most shops and supermarkets closed. This tradition can be a surprise for newcomers used to 24/7 convenience. It's a time to relax, enjoy a leisurely brunch, or explore the countryside. Planning your shopping ahead becomes essential, and it's a wonderful excuse to slow down and savor the weekend. This day of rest is deeply embedded in French culture, promoting family time and relaxation. Sundays are perfect for long, leisurely meals with loved ones or quiet strolls through the park. It's an opportunity to disconnect from the hustle and bustle of the week and recharge. Embracing this slower pace can lead to a more balanced and fulfilling lifestyle, giving you time to reflect and connect with those around you. 5. Weather variability. The weather in France can be as varied as its landscapes. From the chilly winds of the north to the sunny beaches of the south, weather unpredictability is something to consider. Paris may greet you with rain unexpectedly, while the Riviera basks in endless sun. Packing for all seasons becomes a skill, and sometimes the weather might dictate your plans. This variability offers a chance to experience a range of climates without leaving the country. You can ski in the Alps one weekend and sunbathe on the Mediterranean coast the next. Embracing this diversity can lead to countless adventures and a deeper appreciation of the country's natural beauty. Investing in a versatile wardrobe and learning to adapt your plans to the changing weather can turn this challenge into an exciting feature of French life. 4. Cultural differences. Living in France means adapting to cultural differences. From meal times to social etiquette, the French do things their way. For instance, dining is a slow, multi-course affair, and a simple bonjour is mandatory before any conversation. These nuances can be both exciting and baffling, but embracing them is key to feeling at home. For those new to the culture, understanding the importance of greetings and the art of conversation is essential. The French love to engage in deep discussions about art, politics, and philosophy, and participating in these conversations can be incredibly rewarding. Embracing the slower pace of life, where meals are savored and time is taken to enjoy the moment, can transform your experience in France from daunting to delightful. 3. Employment challenges. Finding a job in France can be a daunting task, especially for non-EU citizens. The job market is competitive, and without fluency in French, your options might be limited. Networking is crucial, as is understanding the French work culture. The process can be lengthy, with an emphasis on qualifications and experience. But once you navigate the maze, you'll find a work-life balance that's hard to beat. Long lunches and 5-week vacations are the norms here. The French value a structured work environment and appreciate punctuality and professionalism. Adapting to these expectations can take time, but once you're in, you'll experience a deeply rewarding workplace culture. The balance between work and personal life is respected, offering you the chance to truly live the joie de vivre that France is famous for. And let's not forget those delightful coffee breaks with colleagues, which are a staple of French office life. 2. No air conditioner. Ah, the romantic summer in France with its warm sun and gentle breeze. But here's the catch. Many homes and apartments lack air conditioning. During heat waves, which are becoming more frequent, this can be a real challenge. You might find yourself relying on fans or escaping to cooler parks. It's an opportunity to embrace the slower pace and perhaps enjoy a leisurely siesta. The absence of air conditioning is rooted in the traditional architectural styles and the temperate climate France historically enjoyed. Yet, with climate change, summers are becoming hotter, and adapting to this can be tough for newcomers. Investing in good fans, light linens, and taking siestas can make the heat more bearable. Plus, it gives you the perfect excuse to indulge in refreshing gelato or sip chilled rosé in the shade. 1. Strikes. First on our list is something that might catch you off guard. Strikes. It seems like there's always a strike happening somewhere in France. Whether it's public transport, education, or healthcare, strikes are as French as baguettes. They're deeply rooted in the French spirit of protest and expression. Imagine planning a trip to the Eiffel Tower, only to find the metro isn't running. It's frustrating. Strikes can disrupt not just daily commutes, but also affect businesses and schools, sometimes bringing entire cities to a halt. Despite the inconvenience, these strikes are a testament to the French dedication to workers' rights and social justice. They're a vibrant expression of democracy, and while they can be a hassle, they also highlight the nation's commitment to change and improvement. Understanding this cultural nuance can help you navigate these interruptions with more patience and perhaps even a touch of admiration for the French spirit. So, there you have it, the not-so-dreamy side of living in France. From navigating strikes to understanding cultural differences, these challenges are part of the package. Yet, they also add to the rich tapestry of experiences that life in France offers. Do you think these reasons are deal-breakers, or do the charms of France outweigh the challenges? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell.